Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sayyida Mahmouda Akhtar Eva, Assistant Teacher of Ispani Girls School and College. Welcome my dear students in your Bangladesh and Global Studies class. Today I'm going to discuss with you on Chapter 7, Human Rights. So take your book and listen me carefully. From this chapter you will be able to learn about human rights and how rights can be enforced, the rights of autistic children and their characteristics, how children are being violated in our society, and how women are being treated in our society. So let's start our topic. What is human right? As members of society, we need some facilities to live on, and we get these facilities from our family, from our society, and from the state. To get these facilities are called human rights, which are necessary for people to live smooth lives. Understood? Such as you have right to justice, right to education, right to move freely, right to your own property, right to your freedom of expression, and so on. If you go through the book, you will get to know more about rights. So we must respect everyone's rights for the welfare of all people and equal development in the world. Another important information for you, that is, on the 10th of December 1948, the United Nations issued the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. So if anyone of your school, of your home, or of your neighborhood does anything that violates human rights, you will make them aware of it and you will make sure that these rights are protected. I hope you understood. So let's go to the next. Students, you need to know who are the autistic children. You know, they are the special child. They are the children who are different from other children. They do not like to be touched and do not like to join in groups. Their language is also different from other children. But do you know, they study like other children and some of them are very good at mathematics and art or music. So my dear students, make sure that their rights should not be violated and all should behave politely with them. Okay? Let's go to the next. Now let's know about the violation of children's rights. In our society, children are being violated mainly due to their poverty. For this, some children are deprived of their right of education. Some children are homeless because they cannot afford housing. Some are punished physically, although it is illegal. You know, child labor under the age of 18 is illegal. So, if you hear whose rights are being violated, you should tell someone in authority. Now I'm telling you how women are being violated in our society. Girls may not receive equal education to boys. Women may not be given equal job and may not equally paid to men. Somewhere domestic helpers may not be given the pay or food or health care. So, as a member of the society, we should not tolerate this situation. Anyway, another important thing is that some women and children are being trafficked. In Bangla, you may have heard the word Nari Pachar, Shishu Pachar. Yes, these are women trafficking and children trafficking. These are totally illegal. So, students, I hope you understood this chapter. Some question and answer are given in the website of your school. Hope to meet with you very soon, inshallah. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. Allah Hafiz.